Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPTV with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times weird. Today's episode is all about the importance of your audio being just as good as your video. Let me break it down to you quite simply. If you have amazing audio and amazing video, you have an amazing product. If you have amazing audio, mediocre, fair, or really crummy, poopy poop emoji video, well, then you have an art project. If you have really amazing or crummy video, but your audio really sucks and sounds like it just came out of like the depth of hell from Satan, then your video is really just going to be garbage because you've got to have good audio. So, just saying. Me personally, I like to use Rode. Underneath this is a Rode Wireless Go numero dos. This also is not a sponsored video. Let me just make it clear. Not sponsored. Bought it with my cold hard cash ducats. Yeah. Let's finish it up. What about you? What do you use for good audio? I used to use Sennheiser, but and there's a few other products that are out there. Rode happens to be something that is pleasing to my good ear. They also have amazing customer service and a fan-frickin-tastic warranty. Can't tell you how many times I've busted up my other microphones and they either repaired or replaced them for free. What do you use? Share downstairs in the where. You know where. Come on, say it with me. The kilt zone. Yeah, buddy. Now let's wrap it up. Land of 10,000 million billion trillion lakes, and it's dry as heck, and it's raining outside, and I can't snap. So there we go. I just did it. And that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPTV with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and a bit weird. Today's topic was all about the importance of audio matching the quality of your video, which needs to be amazing. If you are subscribing, thank you. If you're liking, commenting, and sharing, if you're also getting the notifications, double thumbs up, double, triple, all over. Just pretend there's a bunch of emojis. Yeah, thumbs. And also remember to do something until next time. Oh, say it with me. Stay caffeinated. And I'll see you soon. EPTV.